Alright, so this one, losing the focus of course, tried to get a lifter on it, but it's too tight to the rail. So we're going to take this little 7mm tab. I think these are Keco dead centers or something like that they're called. Look like a Keco ice almost. And we're going to try to slide hammer it, see what happens. And maroon with gold. Ooh. Man, it's hitting hard. So we're getting to be a little bit too overexcited about this, but that's impressive. That's really impressive. That's way more than I'd want to pull. And then, let me see this rail. Wow, look at that. 7mm with a slide hammer. Right there. That's crazy. Like I said, that's way higher than I wanted to, but was just trying to make an example of what we can do with this small tab nowadays.